Hi, this is Mrs. Hanson with week 22 math. I know that we all are staying home, and I just want to say that we miss you guys here and we wish we could be at CC, but since we can't, we're going to talk about our math from home. And this week is week 22, so I want to tell you about the commutative law. And the commutative law for addition states A plus B equals or is the same as B plus A. And the commutative law for multiplication states that A times B equals or is the same as B times A. And that's very exciting. We learn this very early, and it helps you know that 3 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 3. And 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. And that's very exciting because it means that we only have to learn half as many addition problems and half as many multiplication problems. Isn't that exciting? Let's say it one more time. The commutative law for addition states that A plus B equals B plus A. And the commutative law for multiplication states that A times B equals B times A. Let's do that one more time. The commutative law for addition states that A plus B equals B plus A. And the commutative law for multiplication states that A times B equals B times A. So what we're saying here, we can demonstrate. And you could go get toys from your toy box to do this. But right now I have James and Thomas, and they're going to help me demonstrate the commutative law. It doesn't matter if James goes first and then Thomas comes second, or if Thomas goes first and James comes second. If we have James and Thomas, it is the same or equal to having Thomas and James, because on each side we have what? Thomas and James. Whether it's James and Thomas or Thomas and James, it's exactly the same. Isn't that what's so neat about math? You can measure it, you can analyze it, and we can always understand it. So it's very exciting. So let's say that one more time. The commutative law for addition states that James plus Thomas equals or is the same as Thomas plus James. And the commutative law for multiplication states that James times Thomas equals or is the same as Thomas times James. And you can find anything in your house, and you could do this with apples and pears, oranges, you could do it with fruit, you can do it with toys, you could do it with your favorite stuffed animals, but wherever you go, you could do it while you're picking flowers outside in the yard. Wherever you go, there's always math, and you can think of the commutative law and how it doesn't matter whether you say A plus B equals B plus A, or A times B equals B times A, because on each side you have the same thing. So happy week 22 and have fun studying your new memory work. I'm excited and look forward to seeing you guys next week.